In this video, we are going to emphasize the most important aspects studied in the first lesson. Fiber types. In this lesson about fibers, we have learned that fibers can be classified according to its origin. This is important as it allows to predict a wide variety of their properties. Some of the properties from the fibers are directly related to spinning parameters and can influence the behavior of yarns in the loom. Yarn types. In this lesson, we have studied the main properties of yarns, such as yarn count, twist, hairiness, and regularity. They are directly related with the behavior of yarns in the loom and the properties that the final fabric will present. Weaving tips. In this third lesson, the weaving process has been presented. There are different kinds of fabrics, and as important as the weaving itself is the preparation process. Inspection tips. In this lesson, the control of fabrics has been introduced, and it is remarkable that inspection is an important part not only to classify fabrics according to its quality, but for improving the quality as well. Fabric structure tips. In this fabric structure lesson, we have introduced different kinds of structures. Knowing that there are different kinds of structures, it is not difficult to identify them. Fabrics characterization tips. The main properties of fabrics have been studied in this lesson. The properties studied are warp and weft density, gram per square meter, and compactness. All of them are important parameters to control the weaving quality control. We hope you found it interesting and see you in the next unit about main defects on fabrics.